Let me be clear of something right now, Luco. I can't proceed till you give me reassurance that we're not going to have a repeat of what happened in Yemen last year. Let me be clear of something right now. I am to be the only point person you'll be in contact with, regardless of who tries to reach you first, all right?
I've made myself available to you all these years, but something has changed. Call it my gut feeling.
Nothing's changed. Everything's the same. I'm not doing anything that's putting you in real danger this time.
Danger? It's not a joke. This is my job.
Actually, your job is to follow my direction. Look, I tell you anymore, that's putting you at risk. I always protect my agents this way. I'm sure you know that by now.
I've done everything as you requested,
But that's no eyes, that's no ears. You keep the agency out of this, okay?
You're telling me I'm fucked?
I'm telling you, you need to trust me.
I've never seen you like this before. I don't like it. I don't like it at all.